In today's video, we are going to cover how to find my W-2 online with TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account. Once you are in, open the tax return where you want to add or review your W-2. If TurboTax brings you to a home screen first, look for your current return and enter it before moving on. The goal here is to be inside the return itself so you can reach the income section. Next, go to the Wages and Income area. This is the part of the return where TurboTax stores income forms, including W-2s from employers. When that section opens, find Job or W-2 and select it. If you have not entered anything yet, choose Add a W-2. If you already started working in this section before, choose Edit or Revisit instead so you can continue from the same place. From there, choose the option to import your form. Depending on the version you are using, this may appear as Import from Employer or Import W-2. Select that option to move into the search screen where TurboTax looks for supported payroll providers and employer connections. Now search for your employer or your payroll provider. Enter the company name carefully, then select the correct result from the list. If more than one result appears with a similar name, take a moment to choose the one that matches your employer or the payroll service they use. This matters because TurboTax can only pull the form from the correct source. After selecting the provider, sign in with your payroll provider credentials. Use your account information for that payroll service, not your TurboTax login, unless both happen to be the same. Once you sign in, TurboTax will check whether your W-2 is available online through that connection. Depending on the provider, this may take a moment to load. If TurboTax finds your W-2, review the imported information on screen before continuing. Look over the employer details and the wage and tax entries shown in the form. If everything appears to match what you expect, click Continue to bring that W-2 into your return. If TurboTax cannot find the form, stay in the same flow and choose one of the other options provided. You may see Try Importing Again, Upload, Snap a Photo, or Type it in myself. Use whichever option fits the documents and access you have available. Trying to import again can help if there was a connection issue, while the other choices let you continue entering the W-2 without stopping your return. Thanks for watching. Your W-2 has now been searched for in TurboTax and either imported or moved to another entry option so you can continue your return.